United Nations Development Program in the Kyrgyz Republic has identified 3 priority areas of its activities for 2023-2027. Priority Area 1, Green Economic Transformation and Inclusive Development. By 2027, the well-being of the population of the Kyrgyz Republic will have improved through the further rollout of a green economy based on sustainable and healthy food systems, natural resource management, and effective migration processes, by accelerating the use of innovation and entrepreneurship. Priority Area 2, accelerating climate action and nature-based solutions for protecting fragile ecosystem. By 2027, the Kyrgyz Republic has started the transition to low-carbon development and risk-informed climate resilience, contributing to people's fair and equitable access to ecosystem benefits and to empowerment of vulnerable communities in the governance of natural resources and disaster prevention. Priority Area 3, strengthening inclusive, accountable, and democratic governance. By 2027, all people in the Kyrgyz Republic enjoy the benefits of fair and accountable democratic institutions that are free from corruption and apply innovative solutions that promote respect for human rights and strengthen peace and cohesion. UNDP in the Kyrgyz Republic will continue strengthening the national health system. HIV and TB epidemics remain acute problems for Kyrgyzstan's healthcare system. UNDP will continue strengthening the national health system for stronger human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, and tuberculosis responses. UNDP's work is summarized by 3-6-3 framework that helps UNDP continue to deliver on what it does best: integrated development solutions driven by country priorities. 3 directions of change: structural transformation, inclusive and digital transitions. Working with countries to effect change in systems and structures that shape a country's sustainable development. Leaving no one behind. A rights-based approach centered on empowerment, inclusion, equity, human agency, and human development, building resilience to crisis, conflict, natural disasters, climate and social and economic shocks. 6. Signature solutions: poverty and inequality, governance, resilience, environment, energy, gender equality. 3 enablers: strategic innovation, digitalization, development financing. Strategic innovation is aimed at empowering governments and communities to enhance the performance of entire systems, making them adaptive and resilient. UNDP Kyrgyzstan designed its digital offer to the country to change the way we work, how we study, how we access services, and how we interact with each other. UNDP puts forth a long-term vision to create a world in which digital is an empowering force for people and the planet. Through UNDP and Integrated National Financial Framework, the government of the Kyrgyz Republic works to develop a strategy in order to support the implementation of Kyrgyzstan's National Development Strategy and the SDGs.